See, this is what is commonly known as Nayantara plant. See the arrangement, it's opposite arrangement. Can you see? It's just opposite. See, just opposite to each other. Okay, this is the flower, and see the arrangement. Just opposite to each other. This is opposite arrangement. Now the next one is the whorl arrangement. See, this is in Bengali we call this shobeda, and in the English name is, the common name is chiku. It is known as chiku fruit, and it is also known as noseberry. Okay, it is also known as noseberry, sapota, mud apples, and sapodilla plum. It is also known as sapodilla plum. See, the leaves are arranged from the same point, if you can see properly. This arrangement is known as whorled arrangement. Whorled. The phyllotaxy is named as whorled phyllotaxy. Okay, from the same point. See, from the same point clusters of leaves come out. This is the chiku, what it is commonly called, and the English name is mud apples or sapodilla plum or noseberry. Okay, so these are the three types of phyllotaxy that we have seen. This is whorled, this is opposite, and this is alternate. Okay, now this is a simple leaf. Okay, a simple leaf, you can see now these are the veins. Okay, the veins, you can see the veins. From the back portion you can see this is the midrib, this is the margin. Okay, and this point is known as the leaf apex. This point is known as the leaf apex, and this is the midrib having the veins, and then the side veins, the veinlets. These smaller ones are the veinlets. These are the veins, this is the midrib, and these are the veinlets. Now if you see the microscopic structure, you can see the internal structure. There are stomata. Stomata are the small openings which are present on the lower side of the leaf, which helps in the gaseous exchange. Okay, they are supported, the holes are supported by two bean shaped guard cells. Okay, so this is the structure of a leaf. Now the stalk of the leaf, what we say, you can take this leaf also. See the stalk of the leaf. The stalk of the leaf, this is the stalk of the leaf, is known as the petiole. Okay, so this is a simple leaf. Now if I tell you, I will take the example of a compound leaf. See, this is a compound leaf. This is known as the rachis. These are each small individual leaf. Even this one is a compound leaf. See, this is the example of tamarind plant. Okay, tamarind. Now see here, it is each, see there are small leaflets, isn't it? The small leaflets you can see. Sorry. Now each small leaflet is attached to the main rachis. See, each one, this each total is one leaf, and the center portion is the rachis, and on the either side are the leaflets. Okay, now you will be able to see here each rachis, here each leaflet has got the axillary bud here. Okay, see this point, this is one leaf, and this is the main stem. Okay, this stem of the compound leaf is known as rachis. Okay, now see, this is also, this is of curry patta, curry leaves. This is also a compound leaf. Okay, Now these are the simple leaf and a compound leaf which you have come across. Now the different shapes of the leaves. See each shape of the leaf, the different shapes. These are the different shapes of the leaf. See, these are different shapes of the leaf. Each individual leaf is of different shape. See, this is again a compound leaf of neem leaves. Okay. This is the rachis. These are each individual leaflet. The total one is one single leaf. The total one branch is a single leaf. Okay. Now about the venation, I have given already small videos, but again I will show you. See, these are parallel venation. This is of the, see, banyan. Okay, can you see? These lines will never meet at a single point. This is a parallel venation. Here, see, this is of lily. Can you see the lines are running parallel to each other? They are running straight. Okay. So this is a complete plant, a flowering plant. Okay. Another flowering plant I will show you. This is again another flowering plant. See, with the roots, the leaves, and here this is the node from where each leaves arise, and this there here at this point you have the axillary bud. Okay, at this junction, see each point here. Can you see? From where the leaves arise, there you have the axillary bud. Now about the arrangement, I have already shown you in the video. This one is of the rose plant. See, a compound leaf. Let me clear out all this so that it becomes, see, this is a rose plant. Can you see the fruits? This is a method of vegetative propagation also. The stem cutting, if you see, the stem is cut in the oblique manner. See, it is cut in the oblique manner. Okay, it is cut. See the end. It is cut in the oblique manner. Now, if I plant this in the soil, after few days, new roots will come out and it will grow into a new individual plant. So, this is the method of stem cutting, a method of vegetative propagation with the help of rose plant by stem cutting. Okay. I hope this much is clear to you. Thank you. Type of fern. Okay. And this is an orchid plant. See, you will learn in your next classes also. In orchid, they breathe through the aerial roots. Okay, they have spongy structures in their roots which hang and from which they breathe. This is the orchid plant. Okay, this is an orchid and this is another type of fern. Okay. Children, now see, this is bryophyllum. Okay, this is a plant known as bryophyllum which reproduces with the help of leaves. Now, small plantlets arise all at the edges of the leaves. All these edges, small plantlets comes out with roots which when get detached from the mother plant or the parent plant, it grows into a new plant. This is a type of vegetative propagation with the help of leaves. So, these leaves are helpful in the vegetative propagation. Okay, this is the type of plant known as bryophyllum. Can you see the leaf, the serrated margins along which the small seedlings, the small plantlets comes out, which when get detached from the leaves, they grow into new individual. It is a type of vegetative propagation. Okay. Now students, in asexual reproduction in plants, we have done spore formation. isn't it? And we have done that in ferns. The spores are found in clusters of sporangia called sori, or singular is sorus. Okay. Now this sori they are present on the lower surface of the leaf. So this is a fern in which I will show you the sori or the sorus. Can you see? Yes. See, these are the spores that are found. They are formed in clusters. If you can see, they form the globular structures. Okay, globular structures called sori, which are formed on the lower surface of the leaf. This is the upper surface of the leaf. You all have seen fern, isn't it? If you have visited any hilly area, it's a very common plant which are found along the roadside. But here it's not so easily found, but you find it. Whoever has a knack of growing plants, you will see ferns, and in very old buildings also it comes out. Okay, see the spores, the sorus that comes out. See the spores. Can you see? Yes. Yes. Okay. So these are the sporangia, the clusters of spores found in clusters of sporangia called sori. Is it clear? You can see this is the method of asexual reproduction that is found in ferns. Okay. This is a flowering plant. Can you see this? This is a flowering plant having roots. It's a taproot system. See the leaves arrangement. Okay. And flowers will arise at each point. Now there are no flowers now. Even this one you can see having flower. Okay, this is the common name is Nayanthara plant. Okay, now it doesn't have a root. I have taken the twig to show you the arrangement. Okay, now this is the flowering plant. See, the point from where the leaves arise is called the node. And the space, this is also a node, and even this is also a node, and the space between two nodes is known as internode. Okay, this is the point from where leaves arise. Now this point, if you see here, these are the axillary bud which has given rise to new leaves. Okay, this point. Okay, see the point from where the leaves arise. Here you have the axillary bud. Clear? Now see the small young leaves that are coming out from each node. So this, the top portion is the shoot system and the lower portion is the root system. Now can you see the main root? Okay, each of them has got a root cap. Now there are small root hairs. Now root hairs are very minute structures. If you see properly, you will be able to see it has got root hairs here, and the root tips are having a root cap. Okay, this is having a tap root system. The top portion is known as the shoot system. The down portion is known as the root system. Okay. I want to show you the different types of venation. What are the different types of venation? One is reticulate venation and the other one is parallel venation. Now I will show you a plant of reticulate venation. Few plants I will show you. See, this is a reticulate venation. Can you see the net-like structures? The veins are having net-like structures. See, it's going. Can you see them? Please see properly. Can you see the minute, these veins going? It forms a net-like appearance, and that is why it is known as reticulate venation. Okay, and see the shape of the leaf also. You will be able to see the different shapes of the leaves. See, this is the reticulate venation, and the name of the plant is Polash. The scientific name I will tell you later. This is Polash. you know, in Shantiniketan is famous for this plant. Okay, this is Polash plant. Another reticulate venation I will show you is this of the banyan. See, this is a banyan plant. Okay, you can see the reticulate venation, isn't it? Now I will show you the parallel venation, which is of, see this one. Okay, see, the veins are running parallel to each other. It is running parallel to each other. It is not meeting at any point. Okay, this plant is having parallel venation. Okay, it's a type of lily. It's a type of Amazon lily. It's the name of the plant is Amazon lily. Can you see? It beautiful pink color flowers comes out. So it's Amazon lily having parallel venation. Okay, this also heliconia, you can see this is also parallel venation. Can you see? Please see the lines, the veins run parallel to each other and they do not meet at a point. This is parallel venation. Okay, so we have learnt of a reticulate venation of the Polash. Can you see the reticulate venation of the Polash and the banyan? Okay, see, and the parallel venation. I'll show you of banana also, that also belongs to parallel venation.